My name is André Dicks. I'm responsible for sales and marketing and also for business development at allpack Group AG. allpack Group AG acts as a typical contract packaging organization located in the Basel area in Switzerland. We offer services, packaging services from primary to tertiary packaging, focused on small order lot sizes for orphan drug and rare diseases. And there we have a good expertise in offering these kind of services, added value with brand protection features, serialisation, aggregation services, all kinds of stuff which you need to coding, identifying and protecting for your pharmaceutical product. Furthermore, with the acquisition of Renapharma, CDMO also located in the Basel area last year in July, we created the brand of Renapharma Group, and under the umbrella brand of Renapharma there are the Renochem, which is focused on API services and regulatory affairs and quality services, the Renapharma as a typically CDMO, and allpack as a contract packaging service organization for the pharmaceutical area. This means we offer the supply chain as a service. It's the third time in a row, so very exciting and a very good event for us as a packaging provider in pharmaceutical industry. Agility is key in pharmaceutical packaging and also the trends for evolving in pharmaceutical services. That's why when we speak about agility, it's not only this, it's also, let's say, the adaptability and also speed, which we offer different kinds of supply chain solutions under the support of AI, which helps us also to improve supply chain solutions for our customers. The most, which I would agree, is from Knipscher. He raised up the challenges in pharmaceutical industry with regards to changing in manufacturing, in packaging operations, and also the new trends and the new needs of the pharmaceutical customers. Very fruitful discussions, and the good thing is that we come very short, exactly to the point, with high information level, and this is helpful to change, or let's say to adapt our future services. Maria did a great job at the end, very enthusiastic, and she supported us with many discussions and to organize, let's say, the B2B discussions.